I'm gonna show you how to buy crypto on CoinGecko. First, you have to search CoinGecko, and from there you have to click the first one, and then it will redirect you to the homepage of CoinGecko. From there, you will have to click on the three dash on the upper left. As you can see, you have choices from cryptocurrencies exchanges. So we're going to buy from cryptocurrencies. So we're going to click buy market cap. And after that, you have to scroll down so you can see the trending, top gainers, and all the crypto coins available on CoinGecko. Then you have to scroll down and select the coins that you want to buy. So I'm going to choose Dogecoin. And after selecting it, you will just have to scroll down and you will see the trend or the chart of the coin itself. And then you have to scroll more. And then you can, as you can see, there's the buy and sell button on the lower left. So from there, you can see all the available crypto exchanges where you can buy the coin, which is in MoonPay, Crypto.com, or OKX. So you can just purchase the coins on these apps and not on CoinGecko.